Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Ramani Phonics. Are you ready to learn the new sound? Yes, today we are going to learn the sound of this letter. This is L. L. If I say like this, it's my turn. If I say like this, it's your turn. You have to repeat after me. L sound is L. 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 Very good. So the letter L sound is L. Let's learn how to write. This is my magic pen and this is my magic paper. I will write on this magic paper. You also take out your magic pen and paper and write with me. L. Standing line and take a curve. L. Standing line and take a curve. Very good. Let's write on this. L. L. Excellent. So in any of the word, if you hear L sound, you are going to write the letter L. L. Yes? Very good. Now you know the sound of L and how to write the letter L. Let's see in which words L sound is there. Now I have this. What is this called? This is L lollipop. L lollipop. L lollipop. Great job. This is L lamp. L lamp. L lamp. Yes. Now this is called nail. Nail. L sound is in the end of the word. Nail. Nail. Let's take a quick revision. L lollipop. L lamp. L nail. Excellent. Now you know how to write letter L, right? Now let's learn how to read the words. Repeat after me. L, a, p, lap. P, l, o, t, plot. L, o, g, log. L, e, st, list. G, a, l, p, gulp. E, l, spill. There are two L's in this word. Okay. So if same two letters are there, we will pronounce with single sound. L. Sp, E, L. Spill. Let's read it fast. L, a, p, lap. P, l, o, t, plot. L, o, g, log. L, e, st, list. G, a, l, p, gulp. Sp, e, l, spill. So, what have we learned today? Today we have learned the sound L. L. In any of the word, if you hear L sound, you are going to write this letter L. Standing line, come down and take a curve. Okay, so this was about today's lesson. Keep practicing. We'll meet in the next lesson. Bye bye.